Hey guys, it's Jonathan over at American Off-Road Customs. Just want to talk about this Gladiator that we have here behind me. So a lot of times when it comes to rock crawling, the Gladiators kind of get, downgraded a little bit because of their factory bed length. So on this one, we did get rid of that issue by going with Motobilt's bopped bed. But then the question becomes, what do you do with the factory bed that we take off of here? Well, in this particular case, we made a trailer. And this is really good for someone who wants to be able to take advantage of the rock crawling capabilities of the bob bed that we did on this, but still wants to overland and camp and do some of the other activities that go along with being out here in the outdoors and stuff. And in this case, making a trailer to be able to accommodate that is a really good fit, because now you can go take both of these packages together and you've got your off-road rig, you can do your rock crawling, that stuff, and you can use this to set up a really nice base camp application. Now this particular trailer we've pretty much fabricated ourselves in-house. We use some independent axles on this, so there's not like a solid axle under here. So this trailer has really good ground clearance. It's sitting on 37s, so it's a pretty good fit with the Jeep over here on 39s. We incorporated a storage container in the front here, so you can put some extra gear inside of here. Let's put the spare tire on the front so you can make sure you've got a spare in case the trailer has any issues. And because we assume with a setup like this that you're going to be going on uneven trails and different off-road places and stuff like that, we made sure to put in a fully articulating hitch, so this thing can twist and turn and go up and down. So every which way that you need to go to keep this thing from binding on you, this hitch can do that. So we also made sure to incorporate all the factory taillights, the rear bumper stuff on here. We even saved the original hitch, because on this application he wants to be able to put a bike rack on this thing, because he's really into mountain biking and stuff. So when he's towing his trailer, he can still hook his bike rack onto the hitch here and be able to still go out and take his bikes and do all that same stuff. So he's not really losing anything with his total setup here. So this is something that we can definitely do for you if you are looking to do a bob bed and you want to not necessarily lose this. You can pretty much customize it however you want to suit whatever sort of activities or needs that you're into. So make sure that if this is something you're looking for, you hit us up.